welcome back to my channel. Now, we are going to unbox the Viltrox 85mm Canon RF Lens. Inside the box are the lens bag, warranty card, and user's manual, and of course, the Viltrox RF Canon lens. I ordered this lens from Shopee. You can buy it at the given link below. This is the best value for the money for those photographers that are on a budget. Kind of bit of heavy and it is very premium to look at. The price of this lens is worth 16,000 pesos. The lens has a free hood on it. You can download and update the firmware of the lens through the Type-C port, but I will not update it at the moment because I want to explore it first. It has a slide button for auto and manual focus. The autofocus gear of this lens is very silent. Now, we are going to attach the lens to my Canon EOS RP. This lens is good for portrait photography. Since it has an aperture of 1.8, you have the benefits to capture photos in low light. The lens was so smooth when using autofocus. also bought the lens cover for my Viltrox RF lens so that it can be safe from any scratches and unnecessary touches to the glass lens. I will also attach it to the link below if you want to buy this cover lens. Now, my camera is so beautiful and ready for the gig. Hope you enjoy my video. If you want more video like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can be updated on the video that I will post on this channel. See you in the next video.